In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on limits on Instagram. If you feel like you are being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages, and they will be hidden unless you approve them. Be sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then head over to your profile, then tap at menu icon and select settings. On settings, tap at privacy, and on that screen you can easily find limits. You can just get into it, and then all you have to do in order to turn on limits is just hit where it says turn on, and then you can set up who to limit. You can limit accounts that aren't following you or recent followers, and also you can choose how long to limit. By default it is set to 1 week, but you can tap right here and change it to some amount of days. So you can choose it from 1 day up to 4 weeks. Then you can hit at set reminder, and Instagram will remind you to turn this off after the time you choose. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.